Igniting the flame, the intricate process of making matchboxes. Introduction. Matchboxes, those small but essential household items, have a fascinating journey from raw materials to the tiny ignition source they provide. In this article, we'll explore the intricate process of how matchboxes are meticulously crafted, from the selection of materials to the final product that has been a part of our lives for centuries. 1. Selection of materials. The journey begins with the selection of materials. The outer cover of a matchbox is typically made of cardboard, while the striking surface, often called the striker, is composed of a specific type of paper coated with chemicals that allow it to ignite when rubbed against a rough surface. 2. Preparing the striking surface. The paper used for the striking surface is coated with a mixture of chemicals, including red phosphorus, powdered glass, and a binder. This composition ensures that when you strike a match against the surface, it creates friction and heat, igniting the match head. 3. Creating the matches. The match head is made by mixing sulfur with an oxidizing agent, often potassium chlorate, along with powdered glass and a binder. This mixture is then applied to the end of wooden sticks, forming the matchsticks themselves. 4. Dipping and drying. To ensure that the match head ignites reliably, the matchsticks are carefully dipped into the match head mixture. After dipping, they are allowed to dry. This process may be repeated multiple times to build up a sufficient layer of the match head. 5. Assembling the matchboxes. While the matchsticks are drying, the cardboard for the outer cover is cut and folded into the familiar matchbox shape. Modern technology allows for high-speed production of matchboxes, with precise measurements and folding. 6. Adding strikers. The prepared striking surface paper is attached to the inside of the matchbox cover. This surface is strategically positioned to align with the matchsticks when the box is closed. 7. Placing the matchsticks. The dried matchsticks are bundled and inserted into the matchbox. These matchbooks can hold varying numbers of matchsticks, depending on the desired product. 8. Quality control. Every batch of matchboxes undergoes stringent quality control checks. Samples are tested to ensure that the striking surface ignites the matchsticks consistently and that the matches burn evenly. Any defects or issues are addressed before packaging. 9. Packaging and distribution. Once the matchboxes pass quality control, they are bundled, boxed, and prepared for distribution. Matchboxes are packaged in various quantities, from small pocket-sized boxes to larger kitchen or camping-sized boxes. 10. Safety precautions. Throughout the production process, safety is paramount. Measures are taken to minimize the risk of accidental ignition, such as ensuring the mixing and dipping processes are conducted in controlled environments. Conclusion. The tiny spark that lights our lives. Matchboxes, seemingly simple yet indispensable, play a crucial role in our daily lives. The careful and precise manufacturing process ensures that these humble objects provide a reliable source of fire when needed, from lighting a candle during a power outage to starting a campfire in the great outdoors. As you strike a match to ignite a flame, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and technology that have gone into creating this everyday item. It's a testament to human ingenuity that we've perfected the art of making something as seemingly simple as a matchbox to serve a fundamental need for illumination and warmth.